Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we are starting a new series on using Bootstrap with ASP.NET Web Forms. Today's topic is what is Bootstrap and why should you use it in Web Forms development. Bootstrap is a free open source CSS framework developed by Twitter. It is widely used to create responsive and mobile first websites. It provides ready-made CSS classes, JavaScript plugins, and UI components like buttons, models, grids, and more. Bootstrap stands out because of its 12-column responsive grid, predefined styles, reusable components like cards and navbars, and mobile-first design philosophy. It is very easy to integrate into standard HTML or ASP.NET Web Forms. Web forms traditionally had outdated designs. With Bootstrap, you can instantly modernize the look and feel of your application. It is great for responsive layouts, integrates well with the master pages, and saves time by reducing the need for custom CSS. Just look at the difference. On the left is a default ASP.NET Web form. On the right, we have applied Bootstrap styles, cleaner layout, better spacing, and responsive design with just a few class names added. To use Bootstrap in web forms, first include the Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript files. Then apply Bootstrap classes to your controls like ASP text box, ASP button, and layout divs using containers and rows. You can include Bootstrap in three ways. Use a CDN like the one from Bootstrap's official site. Download the files and add them to your project folder, or use Visual Studio's NuGet Package Manager. Bootstrap gives your web forms a new life. Your app becomes mobile friendly, user friendly, and looks professional. No need to reinvent the wheel when Bootstrap already provides great UI components. In the upcoming videos, we will show you how to add Bootstrap to your web forms project, create responsive layouts, styles, web controls, and use advanced Bootstrap components like models and navbars. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to our channel ASP NET and SQL Academy. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.